Okay, so for DMR today, you are going to use the distributed property to write two equivalent expressions for the following problem. So when they say two equivalent expressions, they want two expressions that equal this 4 parentheses 8 plus 9. So if we had to do the distributed property, we follow the steps. Step 1 is to circle your outside number as if that's, like, for instance, the house that you went trick-or-treating to and you're getting candy and your best friend's getting candy. Okay, that's step 1, and then distributing it out. Step 2 then is to now isolate your section and your friend's section so you guys can have your candy. So you give the 4 to the 8, so you do parentheses 4 times 8. And then there's a plus sign right here. So that's the plus sign that gets brought down. And then you have to give 4 gave your best friend candy. Okay, so that's one equivalent or equal expression. Another one would be, okay, well, 4 times 8 is 32. Plus, because there's that plus sign again that gets brought down, 4 times 9, which is 36. And that's another equivalent expression. Because if I were to solve any of these three problems at any point to get an answer, I would get the same answer as in all three of them. So if I were to solve all of them, I would have gotten 98. Okay? That's DMR for today.